much blue light actually comes from our screens?
Really, there's actually very little blue light is emitted from most digital screens nowadays. And if you compare it to the sort of International Commission on Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection committee, what they consider to be safe, it's actually less than 0.5% of the level that they think is still safe. So, we are really talking about very low amount of emission that's coming from screens.
So is it enough to actually damage our eyes?
There's certainly no evidence so far that the amount of blue light we're getting from screens is harmful. We do recognise that a lot of us are looking at these screens directly for long hours.
When I've had a long day at the screen, though, I do feel some impact on my eyes. What could be causing that?
Just the fact that we are spending a lot of time staring at a lot of small detail on our screens. And whenever we're focused on something mentally and literally with our eyes, we tend not to blink as much as we would if we were walking around and about. And we also often in our offices are sitting in air-conditioned environments. And that lack of blinking and the air conditioning or dry environment will lead to certainly surface dryness on the eyes. That makes the eyes feel sore. It makes the eyes feel tired. It can also blur the vision.
But just to clarify, if we're experiencing some discomfort with our eyes, having been on the screen for a long time, it's more likely to be eye strain than the blue light.
That's absolutely right. The blue light itself won't be causing this phenomenon we now call digital eye strain.
I've seen lots of products out there that supposedly block blue light, glasses, screen protectors. Do they work?
And there's certainly no evidence that the amounts that we're getting from digital screens at the moment are not exactly harmful. So, they will block blue light, but actually it is recognised that it may be useful to have that bit of blue light during the day. So you probably don't actually want to block all of it because that could affect your mood and alertness. But maybe it is something you want to consider later in the day. But other measures that a lot of screens have now is just simply reducing the brightness and putting it on nighttime settings so that you are just reducing that brightness, especially later in the evening when you're heading to bedtime.